Okay, I'm Neil Grubb and I'm owner of Craftwork Plumbing. Craftwork has been around for 31 years and we're an Oregon specialty trade contractor. We install plumbing systems in apartments, homes, and remodels, both water, waste, and fire sprinkler systems. We've worked with Robert and the team at Mountainwood for many years and we've had a great experience. We believe the values we hold true are very comparable to them and it treats the customer first. The exciting part about doing a remodel is what you can see, picking out the fixtures, the faucets and the showers and the bathtubs. We spend a lot of time on what you don't see, making sure that the pipe and the connections are in place to deliver clean drinking water and connecting to your sewer or septic that will be operable for years and years. Our men and women plumbers average about 12 years of experience. They've all been through 4 years of plumbing school through an apprentice program, and we actively support that program and actually currently have 5 apprentice plumbers on staff. We truly believe Mountainwood is a great option to choose for any remodel project or new home project, both big and small.